I will be showing you how to fix parked domain issue in this video. So keep watching. First, we need to log into our website domain account. To continue with the video, under the Domains section, we need to click the DNS, or the Manage DNS button link, which will take us to this page. This is the DNS management page. You will find all the domain records in this page. You can see one of the records says parked. That is the reason why we having the parked domain issue. We need to point the domain to our web host server's IP address, where our domain is added. So, we need to edit this record. In this value field, which says parked, we need to delete it and add our web hosting server IP address. To do that, we need to go to our web hosting account. And here is the server IP address. We need to copy it. And again head to Domain DNS Management page and paste the IP address in the value field. And update the records by click the Save button here. And you can see the domain is pointing towards the IP address of our web hosting server. It will take a maximum 48 hours or sooner to configure. In the web browser, we can refresh the parked website and confirm if the parked domain problem is fixed. My website can be seen by web visitors in the browser. With this, we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add new content.